Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So, as you know, that I have been advocating AI prompts in Shopify for a long time, and they are very helpful for the non-coders, especially for the sections that are complex to create. As you can see in this homepage, I have created all these sections, almost most of the sections through AI prompts, and they really expand my mind. And now I'm trying to build the most important section, that is before after slider, using AI prompts. And you might have seen that section in skincare stores, in which you see that a man with pimples, and you slide the slider, and then you see a man with a clean face. I used to charge a lot for that session because it was complex to make. Obviously, it was not. It was hard to make it responsive on mobile section as well. But now we can do all the stuff of before after slider in the horizon theme through AI prompts. So this video is shorter, and I will just show you how you can create that section. And I'm planning that I will be making multiple videos on how you can write the better prompts, Shopify prompts, for the sections that are commonly used. And I tell you one thing very clearly: you have to be you have to adopt the simplicity for the sections, because Shopify in the AI prompts, they doesn't understand the complex prompts well. So I have analyzed this thing. So let's check how we can make it and whether this section works good or not. And I have created the before after image using chat gpt. So you can expect some mistakes as well. So you have to click on add section, and then you have to go to custom liquid. No, I think it's not custom liquid actually. So my mistake, just to show you custom section here. So we have to click on custom section. Let's delete this one. So custom section, and then you have to click on this one, add blog, and then generate. This is for AI prompts. So create a before after slider section, slider, in which the before image should be on the left side, and the after image should be on the right side. As you can see, I have done very simple prompting because this works better. I have tried to give very complex prompts and it was not working fine. And on the right side, make sure the section should be of full width. Okay, so now let's see how much time it takes, and I will pause the video for now so that we can see whether it's worked fine or not. It will create the code in the backend. So it has created the section in the meanwhile, and let's test whether it was fine or not. So I will select the before image. So this is something created by the AI tool. Actually, Perplexity. I have created this images using Perplexity, and it created some dummy images. So as you can see, I'm not a fan of the slider, to be very honest. No, this slider is not good, to be honest. So we have to change the prompt, I believe. But yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad, to be honest. It's not bad. It's working fine. Yeah, this is working fine. But we have to change the prompt because the original slider is a bit different. I will show you how you can give multiple prompts to it. So yeah, uh, please add an arrow slider instead of it. Please add an arrow slider instead of it. I'm repeating the prompt so that you can write it yourself, and make sure that when I scroll the slider, the other image starts disappearing instead of enlarging it. Okay. So like the normal prompt, like you give to Chat GPT, you have to give. But currently, if I tell you this call was working fine, so let's read. Okay, our new section has been modified, and now I have uploaded the image. As you can see, this is a very cool slider, not very common, but The functionality is working really fine, and let me show you this. Okay, I don't know why. So as you can see, it's working fine for now. Let me show you the slider is a bit difficult to use. Yeah, it's fine. It's working really fine. I like this slider, and I think it's cooler than we normally see the arrow slider like this. This is a much cooler version, and this is a live code. I haven't changed anything. So let's see what options this Shopify creates. So just to revise, we I write a prompt that before create a before after slider in which the before image should be on the left side and after image should be on the right side. This is very important to write because Shopify can't detect before image should be on the left side or right side. Secondly, you have to mention that you should have a arrow slider, and once the slider moves, the image disappears. It's very important to write the prompt. You have to give exact prompts, but don't make it complex. Don't ask ChatGPT to write the prompts for Shopify. You have to make it yourself. So you can change the labels as well. You can change the label font size, label border radius, label background, label text. So you have the arrow button size. My God, this is crazy. You can also change it as well. Oh my God, this is good. This is good. Okay, and arrow button color, arrow button hover color, arrow control border, slider track. So you can also change the slider. So this is really cool. I like this method. Like, this is obviously not the traditional one, but this is better than the traditional one, and it works really, really fine. So let's check on the mobile version as well. So whether it's working fine or not, but I think this live coding video, I have made it for the first time. You like this version? I will create multiple videos for this as well, so that you can exactly know how you can create those prompts and how you can create the sections without hiring any developer. So it's working on fine on the mobile. Yeah, this is really cool. I was a bit worried. Either it should work on mobile or not, but it is working really fine. So I hope the things are clear and you will be able to create the slider yourself. I'm not adding the prompt in the comments or the description of this video because I wanted you to copy my words and create the section yourself, and let me know in the comments whether you created such version or not, or you created better version than me. So you have to be very simple in writing the prompts. Thank you very much, and let me know if there is an issue.